Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build a power bank using this simple module. It is basically a step-up converter and charge module in one. See if we can bring it up a bit closer for you. There we are. And it has a USB-C port only for charging and a USB-A port for discharging. You don't need any other module to prevent discharge, overcharge, etc. It's all built in one. And we're going to be using two of these cells. They are INR 18650-35Es, Samsung, very popular. I think this is 3500 milliamp hours, so very good cells. And we're going to join this up in parallel, not series, so not like this. We're going to join all the positives together and all the negatives together, because this accepts a 3.7 to 4.2 volts to output you 5 volts. And we're going to put it in this case. It's a 3D printed case. I found it probably on Printables or one of those websites, Weld. And it's for two 18650 cells. And here's the lid, and I've just kind of cut it a bit because this case wasn't really designed for this. It was for another module, if I can find you one of them. Where is it? Don't know if I have one on hand. It's basically like this module, except it's got the micro USB port instead for the charging. Alright, actually I've got one here because I've already made one of these power banks. It's an orange one. It's got micro USB there. So we're going to be building a USB-C version only for charging. So, what do we need? We've got two pieces of nickel because I don't want to solder directly onto this cell. So we're going to do it like this. Bit of nickel there and a bit of nickel underneath as well. Alright, and then we'll need some wire to join it up to the module here. But first of all, we've got to make sure our cells are around the same voltage. Okay, 4.13, 4.14, they're pretty much the same. So we're going to chuck this on here, like so, and I've got a bit of insulator ring on top. I think I'll put 3 on each. There we go. So that is welded together. Alright, so now we need to visualize where this is going. Positive is going to be on top. It's going to be in like that. So I need a longer negative cable to reach up to it. going to solder it now because it's in the right spot. Yeah, be very careful. I wasn't obviously careful enough. There we go. And just to do a quick test to see if it's actually working, I thought I had a... Oh, we can use this. This is a USB lamp, USB fan. Yep, we're working. And it's got a... It looks like it's a battery indicator as well. Okay, that works. There we have it. That is done. Check out my power bank. Very cool. And tested it works in the box. There we go. It's even got the light there. There we go. That is how you construct a power bank with two 18650 cells. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one.